Here's a situation. You have two columns of data with differing levels of importance. What you need is a way to have a primary sort on one of the columns, but only up to a certain point, and then switch to the next column and start the sort from there. So let's take a look at this example. Here I have my jobs, hours associated with each job, days associated with each job. And as a smart manager, I want all the critical information up at the top so I can see it first. I want to be able to do this as fast as I can. I want to be able to do everything as fast as I can because time is money. So for this particular example, what's important here, or critical here, is any job that's taking more than 30 hours needs immediate attention. So I want those up at the top. Then I want to switch to the days. So ultimately, this is going to pick the highest number of hours, the job with the highest number of hours at the top, count down to 30, the first one it finds over 30, then switch to days and count down from there. Now I can't just use Excel's normal sort on this because it's going to sort the whole column. So it would go from the highest number of hours here all the way to the lowest number of hours and then switch here. It's basically not going to sort this at all. So what I need to do is insert a helper column with a simple formula. If this is greater than 30, then put it in there, and if it's not, put in a 0. Grab this and drag it. Now all I have in here are the ones that are critical. Only the numbers greater than 30 are here. So I'm going to do my primary sort on this, my secondary sort on that. So let's see what that looks like. Use Excel's sorting function. I'm going to sort first on my helper column, largest to smallest. Then I'm going to move to the days column, largest to smallest. Do the sort. Now that the sort's done, I don't need this column anymore. I can hide it or delete it. But let's look at it right now. You see what it has done? It has put everything here at the top that is of importance to me, and everything else is a 0, which allows it to make the switch. Since I don't need it, I'm just going to delete it. And this is what the final output looks like. It's found the highest number of hours, put it at the top, started counting down till it got to the first one above 30, which is 32. Then it switches to 30 and counts down. So it's going from here to here first. Then whatever the highest number of days are left over at that point, from here to here down. And that's exactly what I wanted. Let me show you how I did that. I just used a simple formula on a helper column and did the sort on the helper column as the primary column and then the days column. And that is a way to solve this need.